If you've ever opened PowerPoint only to realize one of your favorite add-ins has mysteriously stopped working, don't worry, you're about to fix it in just a couple of minutes. Today, you'll learn exactly how to enable or activate a disabled add-in in PowerPoint, even if it seems completely unresponsive. Let's get right into it. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Any modern or updated version will work just fine. Once it's open, head over to the presentation where the add-in problem is showing up. Now look toward the top left corner and click on File. This is PowerPoint's control center, where all your deeper settings hide. On the left side of the File menu, select Options. A new window will pop up, giving you full access to how PowerPoint behaves on your system. From the menu on the left of this window, click Add-ins. Here, you'll see a full list of everything installed: active, inactive, and importantly, disabled add-ins. Now look down to the bottom of this window. You'll notice a drop-down labeled Manage. Click on it and choose Disabled Items. This is where PowerPoint stores anything it has turned off because of errors, compatibility issues, or simple glitches. Once Disabled Items is selected, click Go. A smaller window will appear with a list of all the add-ins that PowerPoint has disabled. Find the add-in you want to restore, click on its name, and then hit Enable. That's all it takes. The add-in is now activated again and ready to use. For the best results, close PowerPoint and reopen it. This ensures the add-in loads correctly, and if the issue keeps returning, it's worth checking for updates, both for PowerPoint itself and for the specific add-in, since updates often fix the glitches that cause these problems in the first place. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get your tools back up and running. If you have any questions or run into other PowerPoint issues, feel free to ask below. See you in the next tutorial.